How much is the stock?
His wheels are kind of towed a little bit.
It's on 50% throttle too.
Is what?
I was on 50%.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have some exclusive RC repair videos, and so today's tutorial and review is how to quickly diagnose, or the importance of quickly diagnosing what's going on with your RC car. So I stopped in over at Skyhunter Hobbies. My buddy Red was working on the RC car, and so the backstory is a customer brought the car in originally, took it home, and then I think they may have made some adjustments to it, and then now it's not working as it should. And so I was in the store, we were taking a look at it, and so this is something that can quickly turn into a 3 to 6 hour job if you're not able to quickly diagnose what's going on with an RC car. And so it sounded like it was coming from the rear diff or the middle or even the center, but as it turned out, it was the center diff. And if we look very closely, there was obviously a lot of stuff that took place before we start, or at least before I started recording. So it turns out is that the customer ended up putting the wrong pinion gear on here. It didn't have enough teeth to match up with the proper gear mesh on the spur gear, and so that didn't cause the car to run as it should, and it didn't align properly within the particular gear mesh. That's very important, because again, something like this, taking the car apart, putting it back together, listening for little odds and end sounds, this easily could have taken approximately about 4 hours if you had to take it all apart. You know, oh, let's see if there's something wrong with the front diff or the rear, but fortunately it was the center. So as of right now, the car is being worked on, and that diff and that pinion gear, I'm sorry, not diff, but the pinion gear is being swapped out for something else, and we're also getting the right spur gear aligned up with it. So that's pretty much the importance of this video today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
What's up, guys?
So did you end up replacing the front and the rear diffs too?
Initially, yeah. That's why I was tripping.
Somebody brought their armor crate in for a rebuild. I think they had some messed up diffs or something. Just checking out the pinion and rechecking the mesh. Cool car. Just some minor touch-ups that it needed. It was making a cranking sound coming from the rear diff on the main shaft, but I think we got it under control now. This isn't my car or anything. I was just inspecting it. Been here for a while.
Picked up DBXL.
DBXL? Which one's that?
The pink buggy looking one.
I don't think I've seen that one. Did you get it here?
No. Really do.
I remember I first got my felony, I had a weird sound coming from it.
Mm-hmm.
It was a rock on that landed inside the ESC.
Oh.
Never had that happen before. But it was just weird. It was like, how the heck does a rock get caught up in there?
Spinning the fan and shit.
Yeah. It was just weird. We had to open it up Nick had to open it up, take it off to see what was going on, but never would have thought a rock would have made that noise to even get in there because I never had a rock inside my ESC before.
Yeah. Have you seen the inside of my felony?
Inside of your what?
My felony?
With the hood off?
Just brushed out. And...
You mean that one over there?
Yeah.
No, I haven't seen the inside of it.
Obviously, all this is 3D printed, and
Right.
yeah, I did that. The 3D printed rear bumper and front bumper.
Right.
And on the inside, it's all stock electronics.
Oh, a nice carbon fiber.
Yeah, I wrapped
Oh, yeah.
the chassis and buzzed off all the red anodized off everything.
Did you added lights to the front, right?
Oh yeah, it's got
Yeah, light kit.
headlights, bumper lights, tail lights, underglow, and spotlights.
Oh, cool. What kit did you go with? I mean, do you order like online, or you just go to like auto parts store and just put something together? Oh, that's nice.
The halos in the front, and the rest were all just regular. I had a phantom grill on there to cover the whole grill and the headlights, so the headlights would shine through it.
Right.
And pull off the whole grill and headlights. What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give me one of those. I still do everything by hand.
Yeah.
It gets a little tedious after a while.
Yeah, it doesn't bug me too much if I'm doing it at home, but here is a lot higher volume.
How long does this guy have this car?
A couple years. He crashed it like 8 or 9 months ago and just brought it in yesterday.
Yeah, still looks like it's in good condition.
I should have seen it yesterday.
Oh dang, I didn't even realize those had a set pin. Like a body pin right there. It's going.
Oh man.
You know, hopefully that does it. You know, that way you don't have to take the whole car apart. Looks like you're missing a body mount.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, much better. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, this does it. This would have saved you a couple hours.
Yeah, good for me.
What you guys doing? How many times has he had to rebuild this car after crashing it?
I couldn't tell you that was the first time I've seen it.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all.
What's going on, bro? Can you help with anything? I'm sorry. What's going on?
I need to see if you have a battery connector for a load.
Sounds good. Sounds fresh to me, man. Yep, that's it.
Snakes.
How much is it?
His wheels are kind of towed a little bit.
It's on 50% throttle, too.
Is what?
I was on 50%.
Better than it did before. Sweet, man. Nothing to it. That's how you fix an RC car with a, could be a diff issue, but all it was just a pinion in the gear mesh. Something that could have taken several hours just took a matter of minutes. All good. So it's all good now? Sweet.